check this out. Got new windows going in right now. Flokers Windows installing windows for us.
Yeah. Who's the lead guy on this one? There we go. Hey, don't say my name. You get done, you gotta go around and check, make sure everything's done.
Comes my beautiful wife over. Check out what's going on. What? Yeah, we're in the middle of upgrading all the windows on the house. And take all these out, change these out to picture windows. Got Flokers Window Company doing all the work for us. Definitely going to give us a brighter look on the front of the house with the white frames. And going in with all safety impact glass also.
Try not to do you dirty, Sean. You like your top?
So you can get the sleep of your dreams. Like, yeah, only this Christmas, you're invited to come to the hungry, the hurting, and the homeless.
Man, what a change. Definitely makes it look a lot better. All that white.
You're hitting that metal up there with the stopper. Can you push it up?
We are very happy in the decision we made going with Flokers windows. Front of the view of the house looks much better. During the demo, they did a very good job not to destroy any of the sheetrock or the window sills on the inside. You can also see the window treatment on the outside. None of that was damaged. They slid the windows in, caulked it up. Everything went real good. We can already tell a difference in temperature change in the house, maintaining temperature a lot better. The new windows have also cut down on some of the outside noise. Hey, if y'all would keep checking back, I do plan on putting a new roof on this year sometime, so I'll go ahead and get some video of that, the demo of it, and how it gets put on properly. Hey y'all, if you would please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell up top. That'll alert you when I post a new video. I've got plenty of projects going on in my company that we're doing right now. Got some really big retainer walls we're fixing to do. Double layer retainer walls, terracing a hill off. It's going to be really neat. So if you would subscribe, hit the bell, like, and share. Thanks a lot, guys.